Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of Logic Pro's most powerful additions, the AI-powered mastering assistant. Whether you're finishing an Afropop track, a heavy Amapiano bounce, or a crisp R&B mix, getting a master that sounds competitive across all streaming platforms used to require complex chain setups or third-party software. Logic's native mastering assistant analyzes your mix in real time, applies dynamic EQ, adjusts stereo width, and handles loudness transparency, all within seconds. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to use it, how to tweak its settings like a seasoned engineer, and how to know when to let the AI do the work versus when to make manual adjustments. Let's jump straight into Logic Pro. Before we even open the plugin, we need to talk about headroom. No AI tool can fix a clipped or overly squashed mix. Step 1. Ensure your main stereo outbus is not clipping. Aim for peak levels between -6 decibels and -3 decibels on your master fader. Step 2. Remove any aggressive limiters or master bus compressors that were only added to make the track loud during mixing. Keep subtle glue compression if it's part of your mix's sound. Step 3. Set your project start and end markers precisely around your song. Once your headroom is solid, and click on the mastering button directly above the main fader, or load Mastering Assistant from the audio effects slot. As soon as you instantiate the plugin, it prompts you to play the loudest section of your track, usually the chorus or hook. Hit spacebar to play your song during its highest energy section. Let the plugin analyze the audio. It will take a few seconds to evaluate. Spectral balance, dynamic range and transients, stereo imaging and phase. Overall loudness target. Once complete, the Mastering Assistant generates a custom processing curve tailored specifically to your audio. At the top, you'll find 4 distinct character profiles designed to reshape the overall timbre of your track. Clean, precise, crisp, and articulate. It keeps the low end tight and clears up muddy frequencies without sounding overly warm or aggressive. Valve emulates classic tube circuitry. It adds smooth top-end roll-off, musical harmonic saturation, and vintage warmth perfect for lo-fi, R&B, and soul. Punch enhances dynamic impact and transient response. It gives the low-mid frequencies extra weight and snap, making it ideal for high-energy genres like trap, Amapiano, drill, and pop. Transparent, highly neutral and transparent, it preserves your mix balance without adding heavy analog coloration, ideal for acoustic, jazz, or vocal-heavy mixes. In the center, you'll see the EQ curve. The AI sets a target frequency curve, but you can adjust the overall tonal balance using the macro controls. Auto EQ. Adjust the intensity slider to increase or decrease how strongly the AI curve applies. Custom EQ knobs low, mid, high. Fine-tune specific ranges manually if you need a touch more sub-bass or less harshness in the upper mids. Loudness. The central knob controls overall loudness. Logic automatically targets standard streaming loudness, around -14 LUFS integrated, but you can dial it up if you want a hotter master. Excite. Adds subtle harmonic saturation to enrich upper harmonics and bring instruments forward. Spread. Enhances stereo width. Keep an eye on phase alignment. Broadening high frequencies works great, but ensure your low end remains focused in the center. Always trust your ears over the visual analyzer. Here is the golden rule of mastering: A-B level matching. Use the loudness compensation button, the small ear icon or level matcher, to lock the processed signal volume to your original unmastered volume. Toggle the plugin on and off. Bypass. Ask yourself, is the master punchier, clearer, and better balanced, or is it just louder? Check the LUFS meter at the bottom to ensure your integrated LUFS match your desired release target, typically between -14 LUFS for streaming and -9 LUFS for club, DJ sets. And that's how you get a polished, radio-ready master using Logic Pro's Mastering Assistant. Remember, AI tools are built to give you a great starting point, but your ears are always the final judge. Don't be afraid to adjust the knobs, change character modes, or pull back the loudness slider to fit your artistic vision. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below letting me know what genre you're mastering today. Until next time, keep creating. Let's listen to the before and after of the master. Peace.